Now this illustration is illustrating 120 or 277 volts to ground based upon the phase voltage. Now notice on 208 volt, it's 120 volts to ground. On a 240 volt system, 120 volt to ground. But on the 480 volt system, it's 277 volts to ground. So the phase-to-phase voltage is 208, 240, or 480, but to ground it's either 120 or 277. Now, these illustrations is basically warning the electrician to know what is the voltage to ground, to know what type of circuits and equipment can be connected to such circuits. And so we've just reviewed 4 illustrations in figure 14-19 that deals with phase-to-phase voltage as well as phase-to-ground voltage, identifying the limitation on the voltage to ground based upon the phase-to-phase voltage. And that's what our figures what our sections 210.6C is in car and 225.7C is in car that are illustrated here in this figure 14-19D.